Hello children, in the previous video I have taught distance, displacement, uniform, non-uniform. All those topics I hope you all revise thoroughly. Now next is mass and weight. What is mass, children? Most of us think mass and weight are pretty much same thing. Are they? No, they're not. Very simple way to understand this. Mass. What is mass? Mass is the quantity of matter present in the object or quantity of matter contained in a body. Suppose I have taken this pen. Pen is made up of some kind of matter. So matter is present means some quantity of matter is present in this pen. No? So whatever around in our surrounding, anything made up of matter, and mass is the quantity of matter. It will remain same wherever you will go in planet, on the whole universe. The mass will be remain same. Now consider two situations. One in which object on the earth and second is in which the same object on the moon. Will the mass be different in this case? To answer this question, we ask another simple question. Will the amount of matter in the object be different in these cases? Absolutely not. The matter in the object is not changing at all, which is why the mass will be same in each of these cases. The mass of an object remains constant no matter where it is placed. Where it is placed, no matter. The mass will be remain same. The standard metric unit of mass is, that is SI unit, is kg. Now we understood mass. What weight then? How to be understood weight of an object? So simple activity you can do by yourself at home. Anything when you will throw up, it will come down. Anything you will throw up, it will come down. Understood, children? So how to be understand weight of an object? Weight, measure of the gravitational pull of an object. We know that the earth attracts all bodies towards itself due to the gravitational force of gravity. The force of attraction depends on the mass of the body. The weight of a body is the force with which the earth attracts the body towards its center. So in Newton's second law, you can understand Newton's second law, force equal to mass into acceleration. So force will be replaced by W, that is weight, and mass will be mass, and acceleration will be replaced by G, that is gravitation, due to acceleration due to gravity. Okay. The gravitational pull on the moon is 1/6 of its value on the earth. Okay. Gravitational pull on the moon is 1/6 of its value on the earth. Suppose your weight is 60 kg. Okay. If you will go on the moon, your weight will be 1/6. The gravity will be decreased 1/6. So 60 divided by 6 it equal to 10 kg. So on the moon surface, your weight will be 10 kg. But mass will be remain same. Mass never change, but weight can be changed place to place. Clear, children? Now this means the weight of a body on the moon is 1/6 of the weight on the earth. Clear? So weight of an object in the moon is 1/6 of its weight on the earth. Clear, children? So revise all these topics. This is the last topic which I am teaching now. So mass will be constant everywhere and weight depends on gravitational force on place to place. So weight of an object changes from place to place. It becomes 0 at the center of the earth. The weight of an object is maximum at the poles and minimum at the equator. So read the difference between mass and weight properly. Do the question answer. Your syllabus 1 and 2 chapter only, revised properly every day. Just revise thoroughly. Clear?